My name is Ann, and I'm a farm wife, and today I'm going to make a recipe called creamy chicken breast. Here you'll see that I have a pork loin, half a pork loin that I use as a substitute. The whole pork, half pork loin actually saves money. So we're going to line up 6 slices in the pan, like that, so that your pork loin looks like that, the slices. And the rest I'm going to save possibly to make quesadillas out of them, stir fry or whatever. That my family enjoys a lot of pork products, so this will be nice for another meal in itself. With this then comes your sliced cheese. This is the Swiss cheese that we just put right on top of the meat. So that's very simple like that. And then we use a can of cream chicken mushroom. And I have 1/3 cup of juice. Now you could use white wine if you like, but my family likes grape juice, white grape juice, and so that's what we used to do, substitute with. And you blend those things two together. And what we're doing is just simply mixing the two together, and it just brings out the flavor of the pork, the juice. Blend together, and it's quite simple because we just put it right on top. What I do is I just kind of gradually do this. Actually, this is very good with your rice meal. You have, my family enjoys steamed asparagus with that, so it just gets to be a nice simple meal that you can plan ahead for those busy mothers who are working. And then on top of that is your stuffing mix, herb stuffing mix. You just sprinkle that on top. And that just adds an extra little flavor too. And then you have 1/3 cup of butter. What I do is I just kind of slice it and put it layered on top.